Hello guys, today in this video I am going to explain this problem. In the given expression b is a positive factor of the VQ or positive integer, what is the least possible value of b? Guys, for understanding this kind of questions, let's look something more easier question, guys. For example, given in this case by doing z 50 equals like x, this problem will be like 34x squared plus bx plus, guys, 70. It's quadratics because the factor will be qx plus r. So the maximum value of b in this case will be 34 times 70 plus 1. But what about minimum value? I think the general formula like this, there is does not exist for minimum value of b. For doing deeply analyze this kind of questions, let's look, guys. We are given something more easier example, 2x squared plus something bx plus let's say guys, something 6. We should factorize. It said that it has factor something qx plus r, and we should find the minimum value of b. In factorizing questions, there is one rule, is called x rule. You should just multiply these numbers a and c. It gives us 12. Then by factorizing 12, we find the values of b. How? It's just factorizing method, guys. So it can be 1 and 12. So in this case, 2x squared plus x plus 12x plus b plus 6 will be, so x 2x plus 1 will be 6 2x plus 1. By factorizing it, I will take 2x plus 1, guys, x plus 6, like this. Good. And guys, also we have 2 and 6. If it 2 and 6, it means 2x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus guys 6. Also from here I can conclude that it is 13x. The value of b is 13 here. The 13, guys, here will be, guys, 8. Also if it's 3, so it will be 4. It is 7. It is the last option which I can do from the factors. So in this case, the least possible value is 3 times 4 is 7. Let's do it. 2x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 6 x 2x plus 3 2x plus 3. From here, x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. So, and it is, for example, much more complicated for x squared plus bx plus 6, for example. In this case, the multiplication of them will be 24. 24 can be 1 and 24, and 2 and 12, 3 and, guys, 8, and 4 and 6, and again 4 and 6. I think that's all. In this case, the minimum value will be the sum of them. The sum of this and this gives us minimum value. From this point of view, I can tell that the minimum value sometimes will be 7 plus 6, a plus c, I mean. But if you look some more examples, you can to the conclusion that this formula is not correct. This formula is not correct, guys. For example, in our example, it is like this: 34x squared plus bx, guys, plus 7t, guys. The multiplication of them gives us 34 times 7t. So the numbers I can just write 1 and 30, it is maximum, and etc, 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 but one of them is 34 plus 70. Yes, it's correct, it is 104. But guys, here, if I from here to take and give to this one, it will take 68 plus 35, it's 103. It's lesser than it. So the formula for AC B minimum is not correct. We have another option. It is one less than it, guys. So the answer and the question is how to find the main formula. In these questions you should use, guys, you should just multiply them and take square root. If you take square root, I will take square root here. Square root approximately will be 48 in this number, like. And I should choose from factors for being minimum b, which is more closer to the 48. 49, let's say. 49 is here. In our case, 34 is here, and 70 is here, and 35 is here, guys. 68 is here, guys. This pair of values of b, it is closer. It's closer, guys. Our main problem should be finding the factors which is closer to the square root of multiplication. Also, in real exam there was one question. I will publish it in my channel, Telegram channel. This kind of questions. Find the minimum value of b. Also, in this case, 2670 square root I should calculate. And let's calculate square root 2670. It's something, guys, 43 approximately, rounded up. In our case, 43 is here, 26 is here, 70 is here. So from 2 here I will get the value 2, and it will be 52 and 35. 35 is here, 52 is closer. So this pair of values closer to 43 than another pair. Also here 2 times 20, it is 5 times this. Also it is 2 to 13. From here you couldn't find another more closer ones to them. So the conclusion is, by choosing the closer pairs to the square root of them, you will get the true answer. The proof of this condition, for who knows calculus, I will give here. In our case, a times b is something n. A plus b, we should find the minimum value. For being this, it's something like, guys, formula. We are given area, we should find the biggest perimeter. We should find biggest perimeter. From here, let's find b will be n over a. So a plus n over a will be, guys, something, the function of a. The function of a. In our case, a is positive. A is positive. Let's draw the function of it. Our Desmos here. Okay, it in our case something something big number, for example 12 over x. I should add with x. It's something this number, guys. Minimum value we will see here, this function. Okay, by taking derivative here, 1 plus n over it will be, guys, -1 a squared will be, by taking derivative I will take this result, a squared will be n. The minimum value, guys, will be when n is square root n. Because of this, guys, in our case we should look the closest integers to the square root n. The method of solving this kind of questions is like this.